How to share the web page from your Chrome browser. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you the different ways that you can use and you can share or email your web page on any platform like WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me open the browser first. Okay, so I just open the Facebook here. If I open any other website like Times News and any article website, if I want to open this article, I just open Google only. Okay, and if I go to the privacy or search, so this is pages and this is also pages. Okay, so some website has the option that they can share the pages, like I will show you. Let me open any website here like USA News. Okay, so there is a one website I got. Okay, so if I open this page and I want to if I want to share it, so there is some website has this option that you can share the on Facebook, Twitter, any other. You can also copy the you can also share the link in LinkedIn, and there is another option that you can copy the link of this article or page. And on Chrome there is a one option you can use to share the any page or website. So open any website here. I just open this Facebook. Okay, I just open the Twitter here, and you can share this. You can see on the search bar you can option called you can see this option. Just click on it and you will see you can copy this link. When you copy, you can share this on Facebook, Twitter, and any other platform or email. You have to just right click on and just paste it this link anywhere which you want to share, where you want to share. Okay, you can also download this page in your computer. You can email this link directly from your email, or you can simply copy this link and paste on your email body. You can also share on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and WhatsApp. The simple way, you can copy this link and just paste where you want. You can paste this on email, on Facebook, on Twitter, anywhere. Okay, so that is how you can share the links web page. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.